simplify 2 root 3 upon 3 minus root 3 upon 6. This is very simple, very easy. Let's do this. There is no root in the denominator of any of the terms, which means there is no need of rationalization. You have to simply solve it. The given question is 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus root of 3 divided by 6. So the first step would be to take the LCM of 3 and 6. So we can bring the terms together. The LCM is 6. 3 2s are 6 and 2 into 2 root 3 comes over here. Minus 6 1s are 6 and 1 into root 3 is root 3. Taking it further, this is equal to 2 into 2, we get 4 root 3 minus root 3 divided by 6. You see, we have root 3 here and root 3 here. That means root 3 can be taken as common. So let's take root 3 as common. Bracket inside, since root 3 has been taken as common, so we are left with 4 over here, minus root 3 is outside, so we are left with 1 over here, divided by 6, which is equal to root 3. 4 minus 1 gives us 3 divided by 6. Here 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So we get root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 2. And that is the answer. See how easy it was? Took no time and we got the answer. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.